Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound yen, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think we're in a wave three. I still actually believe this wave three may go up and take out the high of wave, this previous trend over here, which I think is an A. And most likely after that, it will go down, make a big correction for the wave four, then back up for the wave five. I think this is an A, I think this is a B, and I think we're currently in a wave three of wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I think the 1 and the 2 are way down here, and this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. I don't really see any reason at all to think the wave 3 is over, and like I said, I actually think that it needs to go up quite a bit more, most likely to at least this 161.8 to take out the high of the previous trend to finish off this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had a nice little push down, nice little end of a correction last week there. Now we do have a little bit of that 3-4-5 shape, but I actually think this is going to keep going up. I think this move down is going to make a higher low, and I think there's a very good likelihood that it will just continue to make those higher highs, higher lows to form that wave three pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement, which you can actually see almost a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here. Very, very nice. Now, I think there's a very good chance this move down we're currently seeing is only a correction to this move up, which means it's probably going to go right down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. Then I think we're going to get another continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I would definitely call this impulsive down break of structure and end of a trend, most likely a wave A. Kind of looks to me like 1, 2, 3 waves up for wave B. I think there's a very good likelihood we're in a wave C right now, which I would say the wave C is probably likely to go to at least a 50% level, maybe look something like that, ending a wave C correction and most likely continuing the uptrend from there. So, I mean, if you are like a scalper trading below the 1 hour time frame, you could be looking for shorts. Or if you're more of a day/swing trader like I am, then you could definitely be waiting for the end of this correction, waiting for a Fibonacci bounce, a break of structure, a nice bullish engulfing move to the upside to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.